When we talk about dating in midlife and beyond, beliefs matter more than we realize because it's very different to date when you believe love is possible versus when you feel it is not. I know this firsthand. Even before I started dating, I had this deep knowing love is possible for me. I just knew, and my friends questioned me about it. How can you be so sure? But I had this deep belief and knowing. And that belief carried me through a year and a half of active dating. And it wasn't easy. There were many first dates, disappointments, frustration. Most connections didn't turn into relationships, often by my own choice. But that time was important. I learned about myself. I learned what I'm attracted to and what truly matters to me. And who am I now? After a 23-year marriage ended, I had grown and changed. Dating helped me clarify what I really wanted. Belief was my anchor. Action gave me clarity. I see so many women and men too carrying these heavy beliefs into dating. I'm not attractive anymore. I'm too old. There are no good men left. Men my age are old. Men only want younger women. When you date with those thoughts, they color everything. You believe you're not attractive. It's very hard to feel confident on a date. If you believe there are no good partners, you sit across from someone already closed, already judging. Your mind filters the experience. Here's the important part. These beliefs feel true, but they are not absolute truth. So the first step is awareness. Become aware what you believe. Ask yourself, what do I think about dating? What do I believe about myself as a partner? And write them down. Journal it. See it on a paper. Then ask, is this really true? Because all men are bad isn't true. I'm too old isn't the absolute truth. Then you create more supportive belief. If the thought is, I look old, to something like, I'm still attractive and I take care of my health. But this takes repetition. You may have carried the old belief for years or even decades. And this is important. It is not just mindset. Your actions must support the new belief. If you want to feel attractive, take care of yourself. Wear the clothes you love. Move your body. Do things that make you feel confident. Thoughts and actions need to align. That's how belief truly starts changing. For me, believing in love was possible changed how I showed up every day. The underlying idea, today I could meet him. Whether I was on a date or going for a walk in the park, I showed up open, curious, present, and genuinely enjoyed meeting new people. And people felt that energy. Believing also helped me say no. I didn't settle. I knew what I wanted. Of course, there was disappointment along the way, but I never lost sight of my belief. I didn't know when it will happen, but I knew it will happen. And when you truly believe that, you don't give up. Sometimes I hear people say, well, maybe love just isn't for me anymore. That thought is so disempowering, and it is painful because it shows you still desire love, but you don't see it as possible for you. So start by changing the words. Love is meant for me. But words aren't enough. You have to start seeing yourself differently. As someone worthy of love. As someone love is possible for. And then act from that place. Because imagine going on a date believing love isn't meant for me. That's a heavy energy, closed energy. Now imagine showing up believing Love is meant for me. That's open, warm, alive. And your thoughts, your self-image, your actions, they must align. That's authenticity. And authenticity is deeply attractive. Love after 50 isn't about luck. It's about alignment. Belief is the anchor, and action creates clarity. And clarity leads you to the right person. Don't lose sight of what is possible for you. And if you are in this season of life where you want to love, but feel stuck, discouraged, or unsure how to move forward, I see you. I've been there. Supporting people through this journey is now my work. You can book a free call with me and we'll gently explore your next steps together. Love and light. Bye.